Hi friends, happy Ugadi to all my viewers and subscribers. This is Dr. Reddy and you are watching Dr. Reddy's Chemistry World. First of all, I would like thanks to all my subscribers and viewers who encouraging me and supporting me. In this occasion, I am requesting you people, those who are not subscribing, please subscribe and share this channel to your friends. Hi students, welcome to the NEET preparation series. And today I am going to discuss about the concept of Avogadro hypothesis. So under Avogadro hypothesis, there are two statements are there. One is at constant temperature and pressure, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of that gas. That means V is directly proportional to N. Therefore, V by N now it becomes what? Constant. V1 by N1 which is equals to V2 by N2, or V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2. Now coming to the statement 2, equal volumes of two different gases under similar conditions of temperature and pressure have same number of moles. Students, next I am going to discuss about some of the theoretical questions which may ask you on Avogadro hypothesis. The first question is Avogadro's law explains option A, law of conservation of mass, option B, law of constant composition, option C, law of multiple proportion, option D, law of combining volumes. Okay, now coming to the answer, as per Avogadro's law, V is directly proportional to N. Suppose in this reaction, nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas and forms ammonia gas. So here 1 mole of nitrogen gas react with 3 moles of hydrogen gas and forms 2 moles of ammonia gas. Now V is directly proportional to N, right? So we are number of moles increases means their volumes also increases. So 1 volume of nitrogen reacts with 3 volumes of hydrogen and forms 2 volumes of ammonia. See, that means here gases, they are reacting with each other in a simple whole number ratios. That statement we call it as law of combining volumes. So this law of combining volumes explained with the help of what? Avogadro's law. That's why option D is correct. Now coming to the second question, which of the following statement about Avogadro hypothesis is correct? The first option, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, gases react with each other in simple ratio. This we already discussed in the previous question. So this is known as what? Law of combining volume. So this statement is incorrect one. Now coming to the second option, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain same number of molecules. Yes, this is the right statement. We studied already in statement 2. Okay, now coming to the third option, at STP, all gases contain same number of molecules. No, this is also wrong statement. At STP, equal volumes of two different gases have same number of moles and same number of molecules. But here equal volumes are not given. That's why it is the incorrect statement. Now coming to the last option, gases always react with gases only at the given temperature and pressure. Okay, this is also not comes under the Avogadro hypothesis. Okay, so this statement is also not correct. Students, next I am going to discuss about numericals on Avogadro hypothesis. See, the first question is equal masses of hydrogen, oxygen and methane have been taken in a container of volume V at temperature 27 degrees in identical conditions. The ratio of the volumes of gases hydrogen, oxygen and methane would be option A, 8:16:1, option B, 16:8:1, option C, 16 is to 1 is to 2. Option D, 8 is to 1 is to 2. See students, now coming to the answer. Here masses are same but their molecular weights are different. See here hydrogen has low molecular weight. That's why it has more number of moles. So as per Avogadro law, V is directly proportional to N. The one which is having more number of moles means that is having more volume. See here, that's why I show more volume for what? Hydrogen. Then for oxygen it's the least volume because it has high molecular weight among all these things. Then for methane it is the medium volume because it has medium molecular weight among these three. Okay, so as per Avogadro law, V by N is constant. For three gases, V1 by N1, for three gases, V1 by N1 is equal to V2 by N2, that is equal to V3 by N3. Okay, so V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equal to N1 is to N2 is to N3, that is equal to N1 of, ikkada N1 means hydrogen, number of moles of what? Hydrogen. So that is weight by its molecular weight is what? 2. N2 stands for oxygen, weight by its molecular weight is what? 32. N3 stands for methane, here weight by 16 is what? Molecular weight. Then you will get 1 by 2 is to 1 by 32 is to 1 by 16. Okay. If you multiply this one with a suitable number, that is 32, then you will get 16 is to 1 is to 2. So which option is correct? Option. Now coming to the next question. 3.67 into 10 power 32 molecules of nitrogen gas are there in a flask at STP. How many molecules of oxygen gas would be present in the same flask? See, according to Avogadro hypothesis, equal volumes of two different gases under similar conditions of temperature and pressure have same number of moles and same number of molecules. See here, oxygen and nitrogen both are different gases, but they are under similar conditions, means same volume. So they have same number of moles and they have same number of molecules. That's why oxygen molecules also have same number of molecules, that is 3.67 into 10 power 32. Now coming to the next question. A balloon holds 4.678 into 10 power 3 grams of helium gas. What mass of hydrogen gas would it hold at identical conditions? Same as per the above statement, both helium and hydrogen possess same number of moles because they are under identical conditions. So number of moles of helium which is equals to number of moles of hydrogen. So number of moles of helium we are calculating with the help of what? Weight. So given weight we are dividing with what? Molecular weight. Then we are getting what? Moles. Now the number of moles of hydrogen is this much. Now number of moles of hydrogen you should multiply with its molecular weight, then you will get weight of hydrogen. So that is equals to 2.33 into 10 power 3 gram. Now coming to the next question. A large balloon has a volume of 4.6 liters when filled with 0.225 moles of air. If air leaks out so that the volume decreases to 3.6 liter, then find out the number of moles of gas escaped. See students, as per Avogadro law, V1 by N1 is equal to what? V2 by N2. Here initial volume V1 is what? 4.6 liters and initial number of moles is what? 0.225 and the final volume is what? 3.6 liter, and they are asking about final number of moles. Okay, so substitute all these three values in the above equation Okay, that is V1 by N1 is equal to V2 by N2. Then you will get N2, that is 0.176. See here, number of moles of gas escaped we are calculating with the help of this formula, that is initial number of moles minus final number of moles, that is N1 minus N2. See here, N1 is what? 0.225 minus N2 is what? 0.176, that is equal to 0.049 moles. Therefore 0.049 moles of air escaped or leaked.